Hey, it's crazy, bro. It was 1,000 pairs of the home turf room Air Jordan 1 lows, and I only seen 2 people. I'm talking about 2 people on everybody that I follow on Instagram, all the different cook groups, social media groups that I'm in, and only seen 2 dubs. Hey, what happened to the other 998 pairs of the home turf room lows? We gotta talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Yo, what is going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. If you guys are new here, you already know what I'm gonna ask you guys to do, man. Please give a huge like on today's video. And if you already got something to say about the whole trophy room saga, it's always something with trophy room. They're always doing something to kind of entice the sneaker community. And like I said, bro, only 1,000 pairs of the trophy rooms. I know you guys probably seen the most trending video where the guy was picking up his home pair of the trophy rooms, and it was somebody giving a ticket to somebody else on the side of the street. But other than that, I seen one other W, and who knows if that was an actual dub, man. But if you guys are new here, like I said, hit that like button, subscribe right now to the channel if you like videos like this. We talk about and like kind of recap releases and stuff like that. And the price on these home joints, it's crazy, man. So let's go and get right to today's video. All right, guys, so it's weird, you know what I'm saying? We got the away pair of the trophy rooms already in the collection. This is one of the ones I always knew I wanted to begin the year off. I said, man, I really want a trophy room 1 low, and it kind of gives you Chicago black toe type vibes with the sneaker. And the only thing that changed from the home and the away pair is actually swoosh. So on the home pair, you got a white Nike swoosh, and on the away pair, which you have right here, you got a black Nike swoosh embroidered, thick material, kind of pop out, something different that we're not used to seeing on our Air Jordan 1 lows. But the difference, like I said, man, only a white Nike swoosh, and the price difference. So if you go check over on go check over on StockX, wherever you do want to go check, man, they're going for thousands. I even seen some sizes going for $2,000. That's what happens when you raise the hype and when you limit the shoe to only 1,000 pairs, in which I didn't know what was going on with the home pair, that they are actually numbering them on the inside. I think it was like 20 or 30,000 pairs of the away pair, and then the home pair, like I said, man, only 1,000 pairs. And I'm like, yo, why would I go out there and spend $1,000 or $2,000 on a home pair? Only way I would do that is if I wanted something super exclusive in the collection. But other than that, I would go spend like $1,000 less and get the away pair with the black swoosh, because it's literally no difference. And I think that they did come with a rookie card in there, if I'm not mistaken, with the home pair on the card, and on the inside, man, still the same jazz. Kind of had this little clear, you know, casing on these guys right here with the nice tissue paper and stuff like that. So the presentation, the actual backstory of these trophy room 1 lows is actually, you know, kind of, you know, it's impressive. You know what I'm saying? Definitely they put their time into it. Just like the Air Jordan 7 trophy rooms with the whole new sheriff in town thing. I thought they really did a great job. But with these right here, again, man, super dope presentation. Got this tissue paper in there. I'm really not trying to tear it up. I already wore my pair. It ain't like I'm trying to keep it DS. But when you get shoes, you know, that kind of got some meaning and stuff like that. You don't want to mess up the entire presentation. But you got to see, but your boy has been wearing this pair. They bruised, they scuffed up and all that good stuff. And these happen to be one of my top 10 pickups of the year so far. So let me carefully pull this tissue paper out right here, set this to the side real quick, not making too much noise. But check it out, man. Jordan basketball premium issue, 1 pair of shoes, 2 laces set, man. So the entire presentation, like I said, man, was really, really outstanding in my honest opinion. And then they also threw in the Chicago skyline on the inside of the box, man. Of course, trophy room logo, Michael Jordan signature, all that good stuff, man. So like I said, I pretty much got the, you know, the home pair, man. I just got the black, you know, the black swoosh. And like I said, I'm not spending $1,000 to go out there and try to get them. But again, bro, we all know the situation, man. When it comes to trophy room, like I said at the beginning of the video, it's always something going on, you know, backdooring situations. Where are all the pairs at? And I'm talking about, you ain't seen not one on YouTube yet. I haven't seen one on YouTube. If you guys have seen them, man, please send them my way. I know it is, you know, pretty much the away pair, but again, bro, like, where are all these pairs actually going? When you make it 1,000 pairs, that just pretty much saying is nobody gonna be able to hit. And they made it a Florida resident entry only. So I'm in Georgia, you know what I'm saying? There was no way I was gonna be able to go down there and try to enter for the raffle. I think they asked for like IDs and stuff like that, which I didn't have. So I ain't gonna go out my way to try to get them. Then I go out down there and spend all that money and he figure out some 1,000 pairs, and probably actually 2 or 3 people are gonna hit, and the other 900 some pairs are gonna get pushed out to these different, you know, major sneaker resale shops and stuff like that, which, you know, it's part of the game. I ain't tripping about that, but we all know how it is a trophy room, bruh. Them pairs be hitting the back door like a mug, man. But if you were able to hit on the raffle in Florida, man, please let me know down below in the comment section. You're one of them ones, bro. One of 1,000 is pretty cool. It's pretty unique. You know, when you come into the sneaker community, when you know, buying shoes, collecting shoes and stuff like that, when you get those certain, you know, key sneakers in the collection, it kind of does feel good. You know, just for instance, I hit on one of 1,000. I'd be super ecstatic. You know, I'd be super excited I have them in the collection. But again, bro, I know I wasn't gonna hit. I don't even stay in Florida, which I don't know why Jordan did that. And hopefully, potentially, we could see something, you know, with the home pair of the Trophy Room Lows over on the Nike Sneakers app. That would be super dope. I'm not counting, I'm not banking on it. I ain't seen nobody talking about it, but if Nike do go on there and throw up a general release of the home pair, that would be cool. But I think they already had this agenda to throw out the, you know, away pair, mass produce them as many as possible, and make the, you know, the home pair a little bit more, you know, limited, exclusive to Florida residents and to, I guess you could say, the sneaker community. Because if you want a shoe, you can go and buy it. Ain't nobody telling you can't go out and spend $1,000 on these joints, but it's just super unfeasible. It's just not economically smart. And you know me, I ain't getting them, bro. I ain't got them. I'm gonna stick on my away pair right here, continue to wear these things. And again, bro, amazing quality, amazing Air Jordan 1 Low. I've been going crazy with the 1 Lows lately. And one thing about these, bro, they bruise so easy. I don't even know what pants I wore or what was going on. I got a lot of scuffs. That satin on the side of the toe box is creasing already. I only wore them like 2-3 times. I'm like, man, they already beat up. But again, if you guys have the home pair or the away pair, let me know down below in the comment section, man. We had another trophy room situation. The only thing we need now is the homie Rafi to come up with his pair with no box. Now it just breaks the internet. So Rafi, if you watch this, bro, I hope you pop out with a home pair so everybody can go crazy again. That was a crazy time in sneaker community history, bro. Like, bro, you went down in history, man. Like, I gotta give my hats off to you, bro. But I appreciate everybody for tapping in, man. Quick little recap. Where the pairs at? Did you hit? Are you gonna go spend that $1,000+ on these 1 Lows? Me, I'm not. I think you're just better off going and getting the away pair of the black swoosh. Same thing. One got a white swoosh and limited to 1,000. Another one, a little bit more pairs and has a black swoosh. So hey, you guys let me know what you're gonna do about it and how you feel about this release over the Trophy Room Air Jordan 1 Lows, which was exclusive to Florida residents, man. I appreciate you guys. Like I said, man, make sure you subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. That'd be greatly appreciated. And of course, go follow me on Instagram. You guys know that'll be linked down below in the description box. And of course, you can follow me over on Twitter, where I repost a bunch of information about restocks and shop drops and stuff like that. We ain't got a shop drop in a while. We haven't gotten their Jordan Reserve in a while. If you check the Nike Sneakers app, there's literally nothing on there besides the Dune 13. So maybe Jordan Brand and Nike Sneakers app got some up their sleeve. We shall see something here very shortly, because hey, from now up until Olympic Sixes, what's really dropping? Or I guess you can throw in the Jordan 3 Alma Years, which I'm hearing is going to be a bunch of pairs of those. So we're going to see how the release goes. Hopefully July is a better month when it comes to sneakers. We ain't been really buying nothing, you know what I'm saying? I've been going back and getting grills, which you guys going to see unboxings of. But other than that, man, again, thank you guys for, you know, allowing me to take out time for a couple minutes. Hopefully you already hit that like button. Hopefully you already subscribed if you're new. All that being said, man, I am not an influencer. I'm just up on here talking about sneakers that I love, man. All that being said, bruh, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.